see the following images: Raja the king, Radha the queen, Tabla, small hill or Giri, hammer of the judge, big hill, Fakir, Basa, life-saving tree or Sanjivani, intelligence or GYAN, Venkateshwara, Shankara, Narayana, pen or kalam, test or pratibha, omkar or pranav, Ramnath. Now we will try to memorize them in order. Raja the king and Radha the queen, playing tabla, go to a small hill or giri nearby, and there they find a big hammer, the one used by judge. With it, they climb a big hill adjacent. On top of it, they see a fakir or a saint by the name Basa doing penance. They ask him to show the life-saving blue Sanjivani tree. He advises them to get intelligence or GYAN. Pray to Lord Venkateshwara, Shankara, Narayana, and write the test with a pen or kalam and get the merit or pratibha, and pranava or om will appear, which will show the tree to save your Ramanath.
Raja, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Radha, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Tabla, Tabla Maestro, Zakir Hussain, Dr. Zakir Hussain. Small hill, hill, Giri, Varahagiri, Venkatagiri, V.V.GIRI. Acting President. Hammer, Judge, Justice Mohammad Hidayatullah, Acting President. Big hill, Giri, Varahagiri, Venkatagiri, V.V.GIRI, becomes President of India. Fakir, FAKHRUDDIN Ali Ahmed. Basa, Basappa Danappa Jatti, B.D. Jatti, Acting President. Blue tree, Sanjivani, NEELAM Sanjiva Reddy. Intelligent, GYANI, GYANI ZAIL SINGH. Venkateshwara, Venkataramana, Ramaswamy Venkataraman. Shankara, Shankar Dayal Sharma. Narayana, Kocheril Raman Narayan, K.R. Narayan. Pen, Kalam, A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. Test, Merit, Pratibha, Pratibha Patil. Pranav, Om, Pranav Mukherjee. Ramnath, Ramnath Kovind.